Good day, everybody. It's a rainy days, and I'm gonna show you everything in the rainy days in a farm. How green it is, and different plant are enjoying the rain right now. So let's make a tour through the lemongrass, some holy basil. This is moringa, some dill, and more lemongrass. And alongside a lot of moringa, papaya. So green. It's rainy days and I like it. It's wet. It's green. So a lot of my plants are happy. Oh, there's something going wrong here. See it? I think my papaya is broken. Oh my god. I think it's too much papaya and it's heavy on the top. It cannot hold and the tree is break. Well, you're gonna have a lot of. If you want green papaya, come and get it. I'll give you for free. Walk through the green again. Some asparagus. That is where I stop and I pick it to eat all the time. Eat it fresh and raw. It's very good to eat raw. Let's run through this. My favorite path because it's a lot of. I plant a lot of green lawn. It's eco lawn. It's like green carpet. There are little flowers. Yeah. Some mulberries have. Just enjoy the rain and having Barbados cherry is having flowers. Soon we're gonna have some Barbados cherries to eat. Moringa again, guys. So much moringa. It's a rainy day like this. Why not picking some tea leaf? I just planted them last month. I got the plant from Pak Song, the Bolivian. They are doing well here and happy here. Give a lot of new leaf. Excited to make my own tea. Pick your own tea leaf. Make your own tea. My rose is blooming. That's the reason why I love the rain. Look at this. Everything is rush green. Everywhere. It's a mountain. Let me introduce you some pak. This is pak kadon. This is pak kadao. This is pak smek. So many bamboo shoot. This is my sang noi. Bamboo. Who want to have a bamboo soup? It's for free. Come and make it. Hello. Do you want some? You want some? Get some! Come and get some, butch! And the view. This is Mekong. The river is getting brown and bigger. I love my grafted mango. Now they are doing so well. I'm excited. This is my dead tree as well. This very expensive plant that I ever bought to the farm. Very tiny, small, but it's so expensive. It's good variety, that's why it's expensive. But it's growing fast. I look at this leaf every day, and the rain is watering, keep watering it. It's going to be so well. White flowers from the ivy gourd. As what it is sugar leaf. It's super sweet. It's sweeter than sugar, but it's sugar free. My rose is getting old. My cavialan doing so well. New leaf all the times. There's new more leaves and new more leaves. It's growing slow, but it's giving more new young leaf. So it means it's happy. I love the papaya. The shape of the papaya leaf is fascinating. My fig. Just love the rain. Hopefully it's not too much rain because it's origin from the dry place. They love sun and heat. Soon it's gonna give some small fig. It's giving fruit very quick and a lot of fruit. That's why they call, I don't know in Greek, but it means poor man food. I now understand why, because give fruit quick and give a lot of fruit. A little coconut, everybody. I love coconut juice, and to make a beautiful coconut oil hanging on the moringa trees. I love these flowers because give very beautiful color for the food. Yesterday I make the tapioca bubble tea with this color. The color is amazing. Just look like this. Yeah. Wants to eat some fur? Take this sweet basil or Thai basil. What's up, cucumber? I love that it has some hand that's grabbing, finding some stick that to support it. Ooh, my dwarf apple, Fuji apple. This is green apple, Granny Smith, and this is the Fuji red apple. This coffee cherry every day, but it is not ready for me to pick yet. It's going to take a long time. Maybe it needs time to develop some caffeine. Maybe would like to make some cocktail with this passion fruit. It has some flowering now, so soon I'm gonna pick some. My favorite plant to plant in the rainy season, it's sweet potato. I love eating sweet potato. And next to it is peanut. So peanut butter. Mr. Peanut, give you update for my grafted tomatoes. There's some flowers now. So, and it's become a big plant. Hey, you're Viedo tomato leaf on this big eggplant. that funny tomato. 2 in 1. Alright guys, I will give you update on another video on different things. Maybe I'm gonna introduce my different fruit tree after soon. But this video just walk you out for a tour in the garden in the rainy days, because I love the rain and it's not so heavy and my plants are happy. So alright, just different thing, but I have more thing to show you in different area. So for now, goodbye.